Nature is enormous compared to us, but sometimes we tend to forget it. Now, for you to recall it once again, let's go to Japan. The mountain you see is the most beautiful mountain in the world, Mount Fuji. This mountain is 3,776 meters tall. This mountain is majestic not because of its size or its perfect symmetry or the ice cap on top of it or the blue lakes that surround it. What makes Mount Fuji so majestic is that it is in front of you all the time, reminding of just how beautiful and big nature is and what are we compared to it. See you in the next video.